vegetable and less meat.
And
Good girl.
noodle.
Oh, some noodle. Rice noodle.
2 days ago she eat chopstick. Lynn give her chopstick with noodle.
Okay, now it's your turn to eat by yourself. Ah, just kidding. Wanna try? No? Don't lick the bowl. Try some pork skin. It's crunchy. It's good, isn't it? Some vegetable. Don't bite my hand. Just kidding. She never bite my hand. She's really
Carrot.
polite.
Eat carrot. Have some carrot.
So,
Some
take
meat.
some time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, to feed your dog. Make them happy. Make them feel how much you care. Want some more noodle? Yummy, yummy. Good girl. Good girl, Mystery. Good girl. That's how we eat like Thai. We eat like third world country. We use hands. See that? Hand. And this is how we feed our children too. They enjoy our food from their hands. Right?
Wow.
Here. Clean up for yourself. Good girl. Want some vegetable? Vegetable? Good girl. See that? When you're trying to get your kid to eat vegetable and they don't want vegetable, what you gotta do? You gotta feed them with a hand. Get them to lick your fingers. Get some good taste from your fingers, from your hands. And they eat more food. See that?
Whoa.
Almost
noodle.
done.
Almost done.
Some carrot. Good girl, Mystery. Good girl. Try this. Ha ha ha. I'm just kidding. Come here, come back here. Lay down. Mystery, lay down. Lay down. Lay down, my big girl. You're bigger than me now. You're bigger than me. Are you? Don't like me.
You kiss her. Thank
I
you.
know. I know. I look delicious, but don't eat me. Are you full?
Maybe.
Or you get tired of me?
Too big.
Too big? Okay, let's try small little bite. Oh, alright. That's better.
Spoiled. Spoiled dog.
Better. Clean up after yourself. Good girl. Now have some vegetable. Green.
Brussels sprout.
I love green. I can't spend my day without green or I get sick and I get grumpy. Let's try a big one. Try a big one. Okay, let's finish it. One. There you go. Good girl. Now lay down. Come lay down here. Make yourself at home, honey. Make yourself at home. Lay down. Mystery, lay down. Hey. Love me? Do you love me? Where's water? Daddy, where's the water? No, dog doesn't like that. Where's the water? Don't do that. You scared of food now? You're full? Or you scared of me talking too much? Here you go, good girl. I'll keep my mouth shut, okay? I'll let you enjoy your food. I'm just gonna sing. Na 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 na. Don't fall asleep.